Hello. What you see here is a 100% diabetes-friendly spinach quiche. One serving contains only 4.1 grams of net carbohydrates. First, we'll go through the recipe. After that, we'll explain the glycemic values and make some comparisons. We start by adding 130 grams of okara flour into a bowl. You can find our video both on the top of the screen and in the description. Next comes 55 grams of ground flaxseed. Then we add 20 grams, that's about 2 tablespoons of psyllium powder. Add 1 teaspoon, which is 6 grams of salt. Then 3/4 teaspoon, about 3 grams of baking powder. Now, mix everything well until it becomes homogeneous. Our dry base is ready. In another bowl, we pour 10 grams, about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. You can also use butter if you prefer. The net carb value will not change much. Now we add 180 grams of homemade Kefir cream cheese. If you use regular cream cheese, each slice will contain about 1.5 grams more net carbs. You can find the Kefir cream cheese recipe on the screen and in the description. Then we add 2 medium eggs. Pour in 5 milliliters, that's 1 teaspoon, of apple cider vinegar. Mix everything until smooth. Now we combine the liquid mixture with the dry ingredients. Mix for about 1 to 2 minutes with a spatula until a dough forms. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. During this time, the flax will gel and the psyllium will absorb water, giving the dough elasticity. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, top and bottom heat, no fan. Now let's prepare the filling. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil into a pan. Add 70 grams of diced onion and sauté. Once the onion darkens, add 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Add 400 grams of frozen spinach directly without thawing. Cook for about 7 minutes. The spinach will release water and then it will evaporate. Transfer it to another bowl and let it cool. In a separate bowl, crack 4 medium eggs. Add 180 grams of Kefir cream cheese. Regular cream cheese is fine, but it increases net carbs per slice. Add 1/2 teaspoon, about 2 grams, of baking soda to prevent curdling. Now we add nutmeg, the small prince of flavor. Grate about half a nutmeg, roughly 3 grams. Mix everything well and set aside. Take the rested dough and roll it out between baking papers. Place it into your baking dish. Our dish is square, 21 by 21 centimeters, but a 20 centimeter round pan would be even better. Press the dough into the mold. Fix any gaps by patching with leftover dough. Pierce the base with a fork about 20 to 25 times. Bake it in the middle rack for 18 minutes as a pre-bake. Remove it from the oven. Now combine the cooled spinach mixture with the egg mixture and mix. Pour it onto the base. Bake again at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Then sprinkle 30 grams of grated cheese on top and bake for another 15 minutes until golden. Turn off the oven, slightly open the door and let it cool inside for 10 minutes. Then take it out and let it rest for 25 minutes before slicing. The more it cools, the better it tastes. We got 6 slices, each about 190 grams. Each slice contains only 4.1 grams of net carbs. Enjoy your meal. Now let's compare this with a classic quiche. Our 190 gram portion contains 4.1 grams net carbs. A classic spinach quiche has around 41 grams. That's 10 times more. In terms of blood sugar impact, it can be up to 50 times higher. You can clearly see this in the 6-hour glycemic response graph. The red line, the classic quiche, rises like Mount Everest. To even see ours, we need to zoom in. This huge difference is extremely important for people with diabetes and anyone who wants to eat healthy. With this recipe, we've added spinach quiche to the safe list for low-carb and diabetic nutrition. We'll continue sharing simple, practical, and delicious recipes every week. Stay with us. If you have questions or comments, feel free to write. Thank you in advance for your support. See you next time. Stay healthy.